Christmas week was anything but a holiday for the stock market. Despite the positive gains made by the end of the week, the stock market had one of the most volatile and memorable trading weeks in history. The week began with an unusually bad Christmas Eve, as the S&P 500 fell 2.7% during the abbreviated trading session. Investors went into the Christmas holiday with the gift of a bear market, as the longest bull market in history came to a close as the S&P 500 reflected a loss of 20% from the September highs. After the Tuesday holiday, markets experienced the largest one-day gain since the bull market began back in March of 2009. Not to be outdone, Thursday opened much lower on the session, only to reflect the largest intraday recovery since May of 2010. Friday's session ended lower on the day as the major markets were finally able to mark the first weekly gain in a month. Some have speculated that the bounce from the Christmas Eve lows were a combination of the market being in an oversold condition after multiple weeks of pullback, along with the yearly timing of many institutional investors needing to rebalance their stock-to-bond ratios. That said, the S&P 500 is still a ways away from the highs marked in third quarter and now sits at the same level as the summer of 2017. This market activity all took place in the context of the second government shutdown this year. While the first shutdown lasted only a weekend back in January, this shutdown is likely to last longer due to the tensions between the Democrat and Republican parties and their current philosophical beliefs regarding border security. President Trump has stated that he refuses to sign a bill that doesn't provide for funding for a physical barrier between the Mexican and United States borders. The original bill submitted by the House before the Christmas break included $5.7 billion for wall funding. However, due to the current makeup of the Senate, the Republicans could not garner enough votes to pass the bill there. Currently, both sides are in a bit of a standstill as they negotiate both the dollar amount and the details surrounding immigration going forward.